Hey, you guys! Thanks for joining me on another journey. Today we're in South Dakota, heading to Sturgis Motorcycle Rally. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey.
Okay, Wayne, I will.
Hey y'all, here we are at Custer Crazy Horse Campground in Custer, South Dakota. Well, just outside. We rented ourselves a camping cabin for 45 bucks a night. Nice digs. What you would expect at a KOA.
Or any camping cabin.
Or any.
You always have to bring your own linens, but you know they're always clean. They're not super fancy, but they get the job done, and it's a whole lot more affordable than sitting in a expensive hotel.
Yep.
On a run from a given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep a linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good.
We're at Custer State Park, South Dakota, at their wildlife loop, watching some buffaloes butt heads. It's cool. What you got there, April?
I have a caramel roll.
For breakfast?
Hell yeah.
Look at this.
And I have
What is that?
cheesecake, berry cheesecake.
I got the smothered breakfast burrito. The food was so amazing we had to come back a second day. Where are we at?
Baker's Bakery and Cafe in Custer, South Dakota.
There you go. We're here at Jewel Cave National Monument in South Dakota, getting ready to take a tour. Just a little tip for you, we came over here yesterday trying to get into the cave. All the tickets were sold out. They do sell out pretty quick, so if this is something you want to do, get here early so you can get your tickets for the day.
Have, unless they changed it this morning, 196.26 miles that have been surveyed and mapped. And that makes us the third longest cave in the world and the second longest cave in the United States. Mammoth Cave in Kentucky, the last I heard, they had 416. And so they're the #1 in the world. And then just a few years ago, 2 or possibly 3, we were #2 in the world. And then we heard 2 Mexican caves connected, and they took our second place. They had a little over 200 miles, and I think at the time we had about 161 or 62. So we've been working on it. We're going to get it back. Not that it's a competition or anything, but
We're in Keystone, South Dakota. One of the things I like about the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally is all the little towns. We're walking around Keystone, just another one of the little tiny towns. Got a real cool western feel to it. Get an opportunity and you're into motorcycles, you definitely should come out to Sturgis.
Well, you know what they say, there are no kingdoms without rulers. Are you ready for change? We could be kings and queens every day. On the low, we are brave. Yes, even braver than the bravest. So let's go, start the race. We should be kings and queens every day. You've been trying to find your crown, happy camper through the...
What was that, Iron Mountain Road?
Yep.
That's a fun road. Iron Mountain Road is fun. We're at the Norback Lookout at the top of Iron Mountain Road, looking upon the President's Faces at Mount Rushmore. I don't know if you can see that or not, but...
Isn't enough. Let's build castles now. Well, you know what they say. There are no kingdoms without rulers. Are you ready for change? We could be kings and queens every day. On the low, we are brave. Yes, even braver than the bravest. So let's go, start the race. We should be kings and queens every day.
Only real men ride Yamaha cruisers on crazy dirt roads. Alright guys, so it's hotter than heck out here, so we decided to go find us a swimming hole. We're just outside of Keystone, South Dakota, at a place called the Hippie Hole. So we're gonna go do some swimming. We're on our way to the Hippie Hole. Had to stop and give you a view of South Dakota. This is April in action.
Oh my God! You're oh jeez. This is like
This is the trail to the Hippie Hole.
one of the most treacherous hikes I've ever done.
No, I put you on way worse than this.
Really?
I think so.
I don't know. This is really rocky.
I'll give you an idea. This is the trail. It's one heck of a trail. It's not for the beginning hiker, that's for sure. And I probably wouldn't suggest bringing any kids out here that are pretty young. We made it to the Hippie Hole. Look at that.
Summer of the kind of movie love, hoping for some more of anything that comes along. Oh, forever high above, the kind of feeling of letting go and go free falling, living on top of the world. Blue skies and night swims, never keeping track of time. Solid skin driving and all I can breathe is you, so I only for this ride. Last, but I will be alright as long as I know I'm with you. Oh, forever summer high. I know that we'll be fine. Letting go and go free falling, living on top of the world. Blue skies and night swims, never keeping track of time.
You can call me stupid. Yes, you can call me sheep. You can say I'm lazy. You can say I'm weak. You think that using her would get to me. And if you're right, then you're in trouble, D. 'Cause I won't break, no, I know I won't wait. You're in trouble, D.
Yamaha adventure bike.
Flash adventure bike.
Lots of easy miles. We made it to Mount Rushmore. The babies. He's so cute. Got a travel tip for you. If you come to Mount Rushmore and you have a National Parks Pass, just to let you know, it does not work at this national park. You do have to pay the $10 for parking. Thank you for watching my video all the way to the end. If you would, share it with a friend. Hit that subscribe button. And like always, thank you for living life.